How to pay for Apollo Group TV with Cash App. I'm going to tell you how to pay for Apollo Group TV using Cash App. Apollo Group TV doesn't accept direct payments through Cash App's cash tag system. Instead, you'll need to purchase Bitcoin via Cash App and send it to Apollo's designated Bitcoin wallet. Here's how. First, choose your subscription plan. Visit apollogrouptv and select your desired subscription package. Initiate payment process. Click on the Bitcoin or Cash App logo during checkout. This will display Apollo's Bitcoin wallet address. Copy Apollo's Bitcoin wallet address. Click the Copy Address button to copy the wallet address to your clipboard. Now open Cash App, tap the Bitcoin icon, and purchase the amount of Bitcoin equivalent to your subscription price. Send Bitcoin to Apollo's wallet. In Cash App, tap the Send button, paste Apollo's Bitcoin wallet address, enter the exact amount, and confirm the transaction. Wait for confirmation. The transaction may take up to 24 hours to process. Once confirmed, your Apollo Group TV subscription will be activated.